challenge time. Here. What is this? I gotta do this with one hand. Wait, hold up. What are you doing? What are you doing? Alright, yep. Cool, that is awesome. I'm gonna cover up my address right there. Yeah. So I'm sure a lot of you guys are wondering, why did I get a new frame for my GoPro? Let me show you my old frame. Look at that. Look, alright, so the top buckle thing basically just like broke off. This became bent, like a lot. Like that right there. And then this just completely fell off. So basically what happened was this one kid got pushed into my GoPro and it broke the case. And it broke like the bottom like thing. So, yeah. It made YouTube not really fun to do because it took about 5 minutes to switch between my GoPro mounts and stuff. But now I am back and I'm going to try to vlog every single day. I got my phone fixed. That should be pretty good. And today we are going over to Sam's house to fix my phone again because the iOS 11 beta didn't allow me to download any of my music. I am also working on another video with Sunshine Gymnastics about field trips, which is this new thing that they're doing where they're bringing people in from outside of Sunshine and they're bringing them into Sunshine. For example, I'm going to a field trip Wednesday where they're getting all the special need kids, or most of the special needs kids in this area, and they're bringing them to Holly Springs, which is going to be super cool. I'll show you guys the clips, that I got today from the working there, at least some of them, just to give you guys a little sneak peek. Now back to the real hamburger helper, guys. I always love opening packages. It's literally like the best feeling ever. Oh boy, there it is, you guys. Look at that. You guys, I've been waiting to get a new frame for so long, and now I finally have one. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put it on and just go get some clips with my new frame. I'm gonna test it out on the trampoline, you guys, just so that I can get a feel for the new mount. Lua, what are you doing? What are you doing? Come on. Come on, Kalua. Yo, go do it. Alright, you guys. Right now, we're going over to Sam's house, and we are going to go fix my music because it's all screwed up. We're at Sam's house, going up to the driveway. There's this like really steep driveway. It's kind of freaky. Hey Sam. Whoa. Making shoes. Yeah. Yeah. Fixing my no, not my computer. It's your computer. But I'm fixing my phone. Whose phone is this? Woo! Alright, update you guys. It's downloading because I had to reset my phone because I don't know. And we finished the boxes. and yeah, it's 2 a.m. right now. And
totally not bright out already.
guys, all right, so it's
2 a.m.
it's 2 a.m. guys, and I just got my phone fixed, so you're gonna hear some Imagine Dragons Evolve, but sped up because copyright.
Wasn't it take 2 a.m. last time? Like your phone.
It was 1 a.m. You stupid. I have to go. Music copyrighted, so I'm gonna yell over it so you guys don't hear it. New house, new vlog tomorrow. That's right, you guys. I am back vlogging every single day for you guys. Hopefully, I am still funny and cool and not, you know, lame. Right now, you guys, it's 10:30 at night, and I'm gonna go to sleep because I need my beauty rest so I can vlog tomorrow. I'm not actually gonna go to sleep. I'm just gonna edit this video. Guys, I will see you all tomorrow in the next video.